Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the all-new BMW S1000RR. It has long been anticipated and desired, but now it is finally here. I'm very proud of our whole team and the remarkable result, which is here for all to see. Before we started developing this new bike, we set three very clear and simple goals. 1 second faster on track, more than 10 kilograms lighter, easier to handle combined with even more power. Every single decision during the development process was made to guarantee we reach these aims. And I can assure you, we have achieved every single one of them. The new engine delivers 8 horsepower more than its predecessor. The new BMW shift cam technology leads to more power throughout the whole torque level. And ladies and gentlemen, the weight of the bike has been reduced to 197 kilograms. That's 11 kilograms less than its predecessor. And look at it. What an amazing looking bike. Edgar, tell us some more details about the design.
Thank you. So you like it? Okay, I like it. So the design of this new S1000RR makes one unmistakable statement, and this is the ultimate superbike of BMW Motorrad. It's extremely light, it's very fast, and it's uncompromising. The proportions are as compact as never before. The striking surfaces here are tightly and powerfully modeled and express a maximum of emotional power. As you can see, the front view of the new RR forms an extremely narrow and streamlined appearance. We still recognize the iconic split face, yes, yet it is not longer asymmetrical. Thanks to modern LED light technology, without reflectors, there was simply no more reason for asymmetry. The almost hidden headlights, along with a almost removed taillight, really resemble the true appearance of a real sport track bike. On the side view, you can recognize the iconic DNA line and the shock gills of the previous model. And the extremely slim rear design gives the new RR a lot of lightness and a very, very agile look. So overall, the new S1000RR brings the most dynamic design within BMW Motorrad to a very new level. Yet it keeps up the iconic design features of its already legendary predecessor. So Timo, more specs and facts?
I think next to the fascinating design and the very sleek look, it's very important to know some more technical details about the S1000RR. It has, for example, a completely new suspension system with a further developed geometry for even greater ride precision and further improved handling on the road, but also on the track. 4 different riding modes, for example, come as standard, and even 3 more are part of the Pro Mode package. With the 6-axis sensor cluster, we enable unprecedented level of control and quality when performing very fast tracks with this bike. And of course, ABS Pro and Dynamic Traction Control DTC are standard features on the new RR. We also added a completely new instrument cluster in the form of a large and very good readable 6.5-inch TFT screen with an unrivaled range of information and readability. It really depends on the purpose of your riding and your riding style. You can choose between individually tailored screens for display setup. For example, if you're on the road, the Pure Ride screen is perfect. It has all the information required for regular riding on the road. While the 3 core screens are designed for use specifically on the racetrack and provide you all the relevant information for this specific purpose. And last but not least, always on the wide saving side, all light units on the entire bike feature the very latest LED technology. So this about the technology of the bike.
Yes, and there are some more news. For the first time ever, BMW Motorrad now also offers M options and M performance parts. The most powerful letter in the world, M, is recognized all around the globe and stands for the ultimate in motorsports, in racing, in performance, in exclusivity, and in individuality. We are therefore very happy to announce there will be an M package available for the new RR for the very first time. This includes motorsports colors, M carbon wheel, M lightweight battery, M seat, and even more. But this is not all. The new RR embodies motorsports in every single aspect, from its design to its powerful performance. This is exactly where we now firmly belong, on the racing scene.